Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Didi, and I just wanted to talk to you guys about 2 new products that I have on the market. So you probably already know about my mango kuchela product, but now I have my cookbooklet and it's out and ready for sale. It's only $80 and $20 for delivery. There are 7 breakfast options, 7 lunch options, 7 dinner options, and 14 snack options. Woo! You can't go wrong, guys. You really can't go wrong. At the bottom you have substitutions. If you're interested, message me. And I'm finally ready to launch my breakfast oat mixture. It's dry ingredients in here, so you're gonna have like a combination of healthy things. You actually get some recipes, my recipes. You could try it out and let me know what you think. It's a combination of like oats and nuts and raisins, cranberries, as well as some seeds. And it's only $15, so if you guys are interested, you can have this for breakfast every single morning. It's gonna keep you full and satisfied. And you can check out my recipes in the back. Why I thought it was so important for me to come out with this product is because it's definitely something that everyone needs. A healthy breakfast. Once you skip breakfast in the morning, your whole day is ruined. It's really simple, quick, and easy to prepare. Honestly, it's just gonna take you less than 5 minutes. And that's exactly what you need, especially if you have a hectic week ahead of you or if you're rushing and you just need to get something simple, quick, and easy. If you're in a rush, this definitely is the best breakfast for you, and you can buy it and it will last you weeks because it's dry ingredients. My mango kuchela, I also have this. I have the hot and the mild one. So it's hot, healthy, both nutritious and delicious. Nutrition facts is right here in the front. It has a good amount of dietary fiber, it's low in sugar, it has overall good fats, and it has a good amount of protein. The high fiber content is definitely going to help you to get rid of bad fats in the body. It actually helps with weight loss as well, and it helps to keep you full. So by having this as your breakfast, you're going to be full until lunch and not feel to snack on anything else. You're going to be completely satisfied. Just try it out. Let me show you the 3 different types of breakfast recipes that you can make using my products. Half A. Take some yogurt, line it at the bottom, and then you layer it. Oops. Then you take some more yogurt and you line that. Absolutely love it. Yummy, yummy, isn't it beautiful? And of course, you know, it's gonna taste really good. Let's taste it, shall we? Get all these layers in. Oh gosh, this is so cool. You guys, you have to try it. Let's do the cereal now. So you take a lid, throw that in here. So after you put the mixture in your bowl, you just pour in the milk and let it do its rest, man. Oh my gosh. Another simple, quick, and easy and yummy, yummy breakfast. And the third one I want to show you is the overnight oats. So easy to do, guys. So easy. Do your oat mixture, cover it up, and leave it in the fridge. And the next day, it's just gonna swell up a little bit. Seriously, the most delicious thing ever. So I hope that you guys like it. Try it. Got plant-based containers. so they're environmentally friendly. So if you're interested in any of them, please let me know. Hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment down below. Bye. Remember, eat healthy, stay healthy, be happy.